All right. Then the remainder of my cheese, I'll add it to the pie now. Then I'll put it to bake. I feel like drizzling some of this. I'm just going to do that. I don't know. Sometimes I get inspired to try something a little different. I've never done this before, but I'm putting a little melted butter across the top. Why? I don't know. But I just feel impressed to do that. And so I have done exactly that. Alrighty. Just move some stuff out of the way. That's my garbage. This is the remainder of my trees. You have a tree. What is it? Tres fromage? A formaga? I don't know why that child is not correcting me to tell me that my French is completely wrong. She usually is so quick at it. La fromage? La fromage?
La fromage.
La fromage. Ah, that is French for cheese.
The cheese.
Oh, la is the. Oh, yes. You're so correct, my child. Ooh, one of these days I'll remember these things. By the grace of God. One of these days. One of these days. Okay, so I've gotten. I think I'm going to keep one of these bags to do what I did the last time, which is to seal the remainder of my cheese, because I'm not going to use up all this Gouda. I know I'm not using it all. It's a big block. So I'm going to use some. So now that everything is in for this cheese, not for this cheese, for this pie, I'm really must be tired today. I'm speaking gibberish. Okay. I think this is good enough of the Gouda. I'm putting this over the top. That's a big pie, guys. A big pie. It's a big pie. Who am I thinking about, child? That's a big pie. I miss my baby. It's been a while. We're going to have to arrange for a visit. Yeah, sorry for this side. I find this highly irregular. So I'm just trying to familiarize myself with the settings. And so I play around with the screen there just now, just to give myself an idea as to how to use this properly.